Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be unboxing and checking out our new case for the PC build. This is from a company called Montech and the model number is AiR 903 Max. This is budget friendly case which promises lots of airflow and plenty of space for your PC build. We will be unboxing it, checking out the features and seeing if it really lives up to the hype. So let's dive right in. Alright, here's the box, and as you can see they have some sleek design on the box. Nothing too fancy, but I like it. It's alright. It's a minimalistic artwork. There's the case, and they have listed some key features on the side here, and let's go through them. So dimensions, we have length with height 478,230,493 in millimeters. The box is 555 by 293 by 535. The motherboard supports, in this case it's eATX, SSI-EEB, ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX. Front I/O have USB Type-C one time, USB 3.0, two of them, microphone, speaker, LED software and reset. It's got 7 PCI Express slots and CPU cooler support. It's height up to 180 millimeters. The GPU support is 400 millimeters. Power supply 240 millimeters. For the drive base, we have 3.5-inch hard drive, two of them. 2.5 SSD, 5 is maximum. The pre-installed fan hub supports up to 6 ARGB fans, which are PWM. On the rear, we can put 120 millimeters one time, and on top 240 millimeters or 320 millimeters, and above PSU we have a space for 120 millimeters fan. Radiator support front and top. So for the front you can put 360, 280, 240, 140 and 120, and top 360, 280, 240, 140 and 120. So basically anything up to 360 mil, you can put it in. It's got a dust filter on the bottom and top. Okay, we'll probably get a static electric shock from this case because of the wrap-in. But as you can see, it's got some hard foam, so the packaging is not that bad. Let's spin it around. Yeah, I can see how it's already floating, this thing. Knew it. Right, so the Montech AiR 903 Max, it's out of the box, and first impressions, it's not the lightest case I ever handle, but it doesn't feel like Thermaltake heavy or Cool Master heavy. It's like somewhere in mid between cheap one and high-end case. So that's that. From the front you can see that it's got a fine mesh, but it still should allow lots of airflow to go through because it's a little big. And it's got pre-installed 3 ARGB fans. That's a nice touch. We'll see how they light up later on when I power it on. From the back, we have a 120mm fan pre-installed as well. This is non-RGB. Here is those 7 PCI Express slots, bottom mounted power supply. On the top we got a dust filter and magnetic. Bottom we have a filter here for the power supply. Here's our tempered glass, I/O, power button, USB 3.0, Type-C, mic in, headphones out, reset and controller for LEDs. Now, the buttons are nice and clicky. Alright, this is the back of the case. We have here our accessory box and some manual. It's got a pre-installed few cable management, velcros, and bunch of cables, all connected to this hub. It's quite functional hub, but it's just I don't like that it's bare PCB like that, but I guess it does the job. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fans connected, 3 on the front, 1 at the back, 3 RGB connected on the front, 3 still we have 3, and that's about it. So LED software goes into it, so you can change the colors here with a button, power, and pass through for RGB to connect to ARGB to connect to motherboard. Alright guys, first thing first, this is easy to forget. So we'll have a look what is in our accessory box. So power supply screws, SSD screws, standoff tool for installation of standoffs, and ATX expansion standoffs for the motherboard, mainboard / SSD screws, classic hard drive screws, and bunch of zip ties. Guys, no joke, this is better done than inexpensive high-end cases like it. Okay, let's put our motherboard in. We have our standoffs for our ATX motherboard pre-installed here. So the middle one, that's done bin. That will hold it in spot. That's nice to see as well. So the PC is built. It's housing the components very nicely. Got one peel to do. You got a plenty of cable management opportunities there. Like hook here, here and here. But I use the center channel to contain most of it. Alright guys, so the PC is done. RGB looks good. Case did contain nicely everything. And the airflow, it's quite strong. Look at that. You can see it's nice airflow. And the RGB guys, let me tell you, it looks nice. Really nice. Obviously we need to play with the fan curve. Yeah, the RGB looks beautiful on it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.